Okay, welcome to the Wednesday. So, if today is your first time with us, welcome. If you have been here before but you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If it is your birthday, happy birthday. Today is a continuation of our attempt to fix our Jaguar, and we are going to work on getting any fluid that might still be in the differential out and refilling it with fresh fluid. So stick around and see if we're going to be successful or not. So our intent is to use this hand pump to both evacuate the fluid from the transaxle and refill it. We do have to use a pump to do both. That will not be fun under the car, will it?
No.
If it came off?
No.
But anyway, this is as I said, just a hand pump. And hopefully we'll be successful. In the meantime, the first time I went under the car, before Alpida arrived, I could not locate the drain plug and the fill plug. So, alright friends, as you can see here, we have lifted the car and we have put a jack stand next to our jack, the hydraulic jack, for safety. Can you shoot that?
We see it.
Okay. So now we're going to go underneath the car and show you where the plug is, because in every video on the internet it's actually in the wrong place.
Can I get the flashlight?
Yes, it doesn't have a lot of light.
Yeah, but it's gonna help me a little bit.
It might be better if you take that off the suit and use it by hand. Are you...
There's
Okay.
actually the... And that's about 3 feet in on the back side of the... What is this? Differential?
Well, yeah. No, that's not 3 feet. That is the differential.
Okay. That's
So
what I
that
said.
the differential is 3 feet from the back of the car.
Yeah, about.
And
So-
that is probably, what, a couple of inches above the bottom of the differential.
Yeah, and it sticks straight out in the back.
And it is a 3/8.
So it is this plug, and it has a square 3/8 inch connector where you put the coupler back in there. Let me see if I can get it a little more focused.
You
There
might
we
want to
go.
turn the camera so the light... Oh, no, that
Well,
will
when
not
I do that, it
Yeah.
doesn't work. See?
work. Well, no, it wouldn't work because
So
it will be
that's why.
sideways.
But anyway, so there is the plug right there. It is that. That's this. Okay.
Okay. Slowly coming from the differential and the plug. We're going to move out of the car and you're going to see...
And here's the trunk bottom thing.
And the 2 exhaust pipes.
Right, the exhaust pipe here.
And there is no leak on the differential, but I'm afraid it is dry.
Okay, so now we're out of the car.
Okay. Having a rolling mechanics crawler is very helpful here, because you have to go a good distance under the car. This is what we have, and it seems to be working okay for us.
Yep.
Alright friends, unfortunately we weren't lucky today. Even though today was the best day for us to do that, we don't have enough leverage. I have to go out and buy a pipe, and looked around the shop, and while we have a ton of wood, we really don't have any metal, but I need some pipe or something to give me leverage, because we were unable to make that badge. It looks like that has never come off since the car was built, wouldn't you say?
Look like it.
So this was a failure, but we will be able to do that. We're going to record it for you guys and show it to you. Thank you for watching today's episode, even though we failed to actually do the repair. But I think one of the big wins was that every other video that I've seen on YouTube has the location incorrect. Now, I don't know if it is because mine is the VDP and it is automatic, and a lot of people have manuals, but in the automatic VDP 2004, the fill and drain plug actually are not on the side of the differential, but they are in the back of the differential. And so I think that by itself is a win, and we're not always successful, and that's part of the do-it-yourself repair process, right? Alright, if you did like this episode and you found some use to it, please smash that like button. If you didn't, the other button works as well. Share, like, subscribe, and let us know what you would like to see. And we're going to continue trying to fix this Jaguar, and we're going to take you along for the journey. In the meantime, take care of yourselves, and we're going to see you Sunday. From the Garage Woodworker, and have a great week. Welcome to the Wednesday show. If this is your first time, we want to extend you a very warm welcome. If you have been here before, stop it. You're going to make me do it again now. Stop. Welcome to the Wednesday show. Did you get it or?
We're rolling.